Hi guys, welcome to Mole A, and my name is David again. In our last video, which is video number two, we we created a tenant in our UiPath cloud, and we enabled several services on that tenant. So I guess I assume everyone has a tenant called MOL students or whatever name you have given to your tenant, and I believe everyone can see the services that they enabled for that tenant. So these are the services, the orchestrator service, the action service, and the UiPath test manager. And I believe everyone has, and this is the tenant. I believe everyone has this MOL student tenant or whatever name you have, given to your tenant. Okay, so if you're just jumping off on this video, I believe you might be lost and you would want to refer back to video number two to put yourself on track. So you can head over to video number two. The link to video number two is in the description of this video. So go ahead, click the link and head back to video number two and watch it, and then you can be back here. All right. So in this video, we would just be installing our UiPath Studio. So I believe by this time our download would have been complete. So head over to your settings here. I mean, you click on the three dots here by your Chrome. I just want to go to where I have downloaded the MSI file, and we want to start the installation um of this setup file. So this setup file will install the UiPath application in your local computer. So we'll be installing the UiPath application in your local computer in this video, and in the next video, which is going to be video number four, we'll be connecting the application which is installed in your computer to the UiPath orchestrator, and then I will explain to you what the UiPath orchestrator actually does, and the whole process is so wonderful. So keep it up, and keep watching. So go ahead, double click on this installation file here. I'm going to double tap on it, and it's it would start up it will start up the installer. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for some seconds, I think, for it to come up. So I had to take out some time. I had to take out some time to uninstall UiPath from my system so that I can reinstall it for you guys in this video so you guys can see everything from scratch. The sole purpose of this is to bring you up from beginner to an expert. So you have this dialog box opened up, and you want to check, you want to leave it on quick recommended for community users, quick installation. So leave it here on quick, and accept the terms in the license agreement and hit your install button. Okay. So the moment you hit your install button, it's gonna start, getting things set up for you. It's gonna start installing UiPath on in your local computer. So by the end of this installation, you'll be having the UiPath application in your local computer somewhere around here. For now, we don't have it here. So once we are done, you'll be having the UiPath application here. So just let it install, and I have to pause the video for now while it's doing this. Hopefully we're not going to have any errors, and even if we have errors, we learn. Like I told you, if you're not making mistakes, you're not having errors, then you're not learning, well. Okay, so if you are seeing this notification here that says if you want to continue installing UiPath extension for Edge, please close all your Edge processes and click OK. Just go ahead, click OK, and if it tells you Edge browser or any of the browser is still running, just hit OK. It's part of the installation. It's part of the installation process, because you're going to have like extensions in your browser. So these extensions are what you would use for your web automations. So during the installation process, it would install these extensions for you if you don't have them. So we have to wait. We still have to wait. So okay. So yeah. So right now I have my UiPath set. My UiPath Studio has successfully been installed in my local computer. I can go ahead and hit the launch UiPath Studio. So if you got to this stage of the video, I have to say congratulations. And if you encountered some issues, maybe during installation, you also congratulations, because it means you're having a very great learning experience. You know, you can reach out to me on my email, or you could you could drop a comment on this video. So right now we have our studio opened up. I will just stop the video here to keep the content really short. I don't want any of my content exceeding 9 to 15 minutes. So I'll stop the video to keep the video really short. And in my next video, we will be doing something like a walk around around the studio. So you can go ahead and just close this studio for now, because we would be opening the studio in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you guys again, and bye.